市场上买来的芸豆一般都是干的，在煮它之前，要先用水泡发，往豆子里添没过1倍还要多的水，要泡24小时以上。现在这个是泡了8小时的芸豆，皮破了，芸豆的皮被泡发，但是里面的仁儿还没什么变化，所以整个看起来是皱的。24小时以后，皮也不皱了，完全泡发的芸豆是原来干豆子的2倍还要更大。现在就可以煮了，放上1小把小茴香，加上足量的盐，放到锅里，小火煮上40分钟就可以了。现在煮好了，见证神奇的时刻到了。芸豆趁热放到空气里，它的水分蒸发，然后皮自己就裂开，飞起来了。这种盐香芸豆味道淡淡的，嚼到后面是有点面面的那种甜香，用来做茶点再合适不过。而且古语说得好，以形补形，这长得像腰子似的芸豆，不知道是不是真的能补肾呢？ In the supermarket, we usually find dry white kidney beans. Before cooking it, we need to put the bean into a lot of water and soak it for more than 24 hours. This is what looks like after soaking for 8 hours. The coat of the white kidney bean had been bigger, but the color of it is still the same, so it looks wrinkled. After 24 hours, the white kidney bean is ready to cook. Now it's twice bigger than before. The spices. We need a small handful of small fennel and enough salt. Put all of them in a pot and boil them for 20 minutes with low heat. 20 minutes later, it's done. Now the miracle moment. Put the well-cooked white kidney bean out of the boiling soup. The coat starts to falling apart. And it's peeling itself. Well, it tasted with very light flavor and a bit sweet in the end, so it's very good to go with tea. Another thing is that this bean looks like kidney, but does it really do something good to kidney? Okay, enjoy yourself, enjoy our lives. 关爱自己，享受生活吧。